Hi, probably now just by getting into the system, you've come across the words workspace and boards. Don't worry, these are not confusing, they are quite simple. So here we are on the home page. There, if you click this button, it will be the home page. It shows you an entire overview of many of the things there. You can access several things from this space. But what we want to focus on are workspaces and boards. So if you want to go to a workspace, you click on that and you now have access to the workspace. So you can create different workspaces. So what we are saying is like in a normal setting, you have an office or a pool office for salespeople, that's their workspace. An office pool for HR people, that's their workspace. So you can create workspaces representing different departments. So in this case, how do you create a workspace? All you have to do is to come to the top here and then click that top section, and then you say add workspace. Now, let's say we are creating a development, or rather, let's make it a business development workspace. You see now the privacy is open, which means every team member within the account can join into this workspace. Anyone can just come in and join to that workspace as long as they are within the account for Monday.com for that company. However, there's an option for you to close it so that it is restricted to only certain people. They would have to be added into that workspace to access that information. For example, HR workspaces are quite private. You'd only want the HR department to access that, even the accounting ones. So this function is only available on enterprise, so we can't access it for now. So we'll leave that open. So if you have to come to your workspaces, you'll find that we have the main workspace, business development, and HR workspace. So for now, I'm just going to access the main workspace. Now the main workspace there, I created several boards, deal tracker, sales board. So you access a board by just clicking any of these. In this case, let's start with my contacts. So you find that workspaces contain boards. What are boards? Boards are used to organize anything and everything that you need to do. For example, this board is created to store information about the clients. So it is the contact, the type, the email, the company, and things like that, like the phone number. You can also create a CRM there, just like this is part of a CRM. You can also create a project. You can track things. For example, there's this one which is a deal tracker to say these are the active deals, the deals that we've won. Sometimes you can even link some of these boards so that they update each other. We're going to discuss that in the future. So the main issue is the boards can be any type of board, but they then contain certain information that you want. For example, we do have what we call dashboards here. You can now see the results that are coming from within these boards, like the value of one deals, the revenue, sales pipeline that we have, what's happening with the deal tracker there. It can be seen from this dashboard. So generally, boards are created to then organize the information to do what you want. Is it a workflow, a project, a CRM, a schedule? The list is endless. There are so many types of boards that we have. So these are what we call workspaces and boards. We're going to discuss how to create boards in the coming videos.